Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Genshin Impact email address. I will show you how. So just follow my steps and let's begin. First, on your Genshin, go to your profile and hit settings. And once you're inside, go to your account and simply go to user center. Just click to proceed. Now once you're inside, go simply send code to your email and go to your email and look for the code and type it back at your on your on your Genshin Impact game. Now once you're done, just click next and just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.